Dry rot is one of the most common problems a homeowner could come across, and it can be really expensive to repair. Here is a great example of rotted wood. This is a 2x4 stud, and it is completely useless. You could see the fungal growth in the white area here, and then the wood itself is rendered completely useless and weak. At Good Life Construction, dry rot is one of our specialties, and we've been doing dry rot repair since 2011. Before your dry rot problem gets too serious and you need to call us, here's a few things you can do. Number 1, paint your home on time. Number 2, make sure your windows and doors are sealed and caulked so that no water can get behind them. And number 3, make sure to regularly inspect your home for any dry rot. Ways you can identify dry rot are bowed, cracked, or buckled siding or trim. All you need to do is get a Phillips head screwdriver, poke at the suspicious areas, and if it breaks through, you have dry rot. When we work on a dry rot project, we take great care to be thorough in our flashing, sealing, and painting to prevent moisture intrusion and water damage from happening all over again. If it seems like dry rot has gotten out of hand at your home, give Good Life a call to set up an appointment for your consultation.